What
I
happens
cook.
in this quarantine when why is
Do
it
you know one word of Bengali?
given this season?
हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप आप सब अपना और अपने फैमिली का ख्याल रख रहे हो। अभी शाम के बज रहे 7 और आज का डिनर मेरे हस्बैंड बना रहे हैं। तो आज का जो रेसिपी है उसमें थोड़ी सी ट्विस्ट है, तो चलिए देखते हैं कि क्या है इसमें। वीडियो पूरा देखिएगा। सो लेट्स सी व्हाट माय हस्बैंड इज डूइंग। दिस इज माय हस्बैंड, से हाय।
Hello.
Okay, so he is Tamil and I am Bengali. So we both talk in English. So he says that we can cook without oil. I think which is a very good option. So let's see how he does. So tell me how you are going to make it.
So what you're going to do is just have to put a little bit of salt,
Okay.
chili powder, and soy sauce.
All right.
Oyster sauce optional. If you want, you can put.
Okay.
If you don't have, no problem. Okay. If you are putting soy sauce and oyster sauce,
Yeah.
use less salt because it is already salty there. Look, I have ice cream bowl.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Okay. Say something about me, Ravi.
What to say? You itself know I am cooking.
Every
So
day
you
I
can
cook.
understand my pain.
Every day
What
I
happens
cook.
in this quarantine when why is
This
so?
is not true.
Hmm.
Okay, I cook every day. Sundays, sometimes he cooks.
Hmm.
Okay. So,
Sometimes.
yes,
Sometimes she
sometimes.
So you take a pan, heat it nicely,
Okay.
then keep your stove on the low.
Oh, you directly put it?
You directly put it, and make sure your stove is on low.
Alright.
So show the chicken. Okay. Just for just 3 minutes maximum, or even 2 minutes. Just give a stir on the chicken so that the seasoning gets properly attached to the chicken.
So I think it is better you take a non-stick type of pan. So without
Yeah,
oil.
non-stick type of pan. And you have to do the seasoning like at least 3 hours to 6 hours minimum.
Okay.
Like make sure your stove is always low on heat.
Okay.
So let it be cooking for like another 2 to 3 minutes.
Okay. Yeah, it's actually smelling good.
Yeah.
Smells good, no?
Now chicken is little bit cooked and smells good. It's time. Like let us put some curd,
Good.
and then we'll start giving it a stir. See, this is a oilless cooking. Okay. So usually what we will do is we will put oil, we will put onion, vegetables in the oil and stir fry it. Then we will put the chicken and then we cook. But since we are not using oil, so what I am doing is little opposite. First I am putting the chicken and then like making it little bit cooked in the dry pan, and then I am using all the other things. So we put some curd, and again we let the chicken to cook for another minute or two. So you will find that chicken has let some water out along with the curd. So this is the chicken stock type of water that is very tasty. So you add some ginger garlic paste. So now it's time. If you have any vegetables, you can use your vegetables. Since I have not cut much vegetables, I'm just going to put some tomatoes. which
So will
mom
it be
gave me.
cooked if you put now?
Which one? Tomatoes.
Yeah.
That it is a vegetable. You can eat it raw. So like along with the water, it will be mildly cooked. We are just going to use the stock of the water.
Okay.
Okay, we are not going to take the vegetables.
So it's not like the traditional type of cooking, right?
Huh?
It's
Yeah.
not like the traditional type of cooking. It's just a
This type of cooking I was doing when I was in
diet.
gym. Yeah, I was.
What
like,
happened to your diet right now?
Huh?
It goes on and off.
Since my wife came back,
So?
I lost my diet. Full disturbance.
What is
Eating chocolate in front of me,
Okay.
eating ice cream in front of.
It doesn't matter what I eat. If you are concentrated on your diet, you should concentrate on your diet. It doesn't matter what others are eating, you know. And right now I am also following a diet, and it's not a diet. I want to be in a healthy
Diet is not something that we don't eat.
Yeah,
It's about
correct.
calculations.
Correct.
Okay,
It's about
you
a balance.
have to eat lot,
Yeah.
but not on the same time. And also you have to calculate your protein, calories, carbohydrate, and everything. In a future video, if I get a chance, I will explain you people
Okay.
how
Yeah.
to be. Because I'll show you my older pic and new pic. I did it in a approximate time of 2 months span.
Okay.
I'm trying to do it little far more.
Okay.
Let's see.
Okay, so I think we can expect some healthy, cooking, fitness type of videos also in this channel.
See, I haven't put any water in this chicken. And if you notice the gravy is boiling just with the chicken water and the curd. So it's just the chicken which let the water out and the curd. That's what makes the chicken to cook, not the oil or anything.
Okay.
So approximately around I cooked the chicken for 5 to 7 minutes. The chicken is nicely cooked. Okay, just going to take the pieces and keep it separately. We are going to leave the water. So we took all the chicken out. So you add a little bit of corn flour water to thicken the gravy. It will be very thin. So you are going to use it with the rice, right?
Yeah. You have to.
Just little bit corn water.
And then stir it.
Stir it. Now check for the salt and other things. If salt is less, you can add your salts.
Alright.
So in this process now, while you are cooking your chicken, you can add your vegetables, whatever vegetables you like. It's a stew, like like a chicken stew you can use for your this thing, rice or even dosa. So why I took my chicken out is I cooked my chicken for 7 minutes. It's fully cooked. If you overcook it, what will happen? The chicken will get very hard. So if you're cooking it exactly at 5 to 7 minutes, depending on the size, the chicken will have very juicy. I added my chicken back and I turned my stove off. Just add some cilantros.
So that's it?
Yes, that's it. See, the gravy is thicker for your rice. So we are 4 people, so I think this much gravy is very much enough to use.
I know Tamil, right? Do you know one word of Bengali?
Yeah.
Tell me
Ami
one.
to magge wale.
Only this one,
So add some gravy.
Without oil cooking.
So gravy is added. Take a little piece.
वेरी सिंपल चिकन रेसिपी विद लिटरली नो ऑयल. जैसे कि हम सब लोगों को पता है कि टू मच ऑफ ऑयल इज़ नॉट गुड फॉर हेल्थ बिकॉज इट कंटेन्स ट्राइग्लिसराइड्स विच कॉजेज द आर्टरीज टू ब्लॉक. तो जितना हो सके उतना कम ऑयल लीजिए और अपना हेल्थ पे ख्याल रखिए. तो या आज के लिए इतना ही है. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा प्लीज़ गिव इट अ लाइक एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब. आई विल सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम. बाय.